Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, January 30th, 2023. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's weather, high of 74, low of 47, cloudy and a low chance of rain. Today's breakfast and lunch. For breakfast, we'll have a breakfast sandwich with juice and fruit. For lunch, pizza, salad, fries, juice, and fruit. Birthdays. We have no birthdays today. Announcements. Uniforms. Remind students of our uniform policy, particularly outerwear and shoes. Only school-approved outerwear should be worn once they are inside the building. This includes no random color or decorated sweatshirts. Must be a solid color sweatshirt. Also, no hoodies. ACAP Boot Camp and Literacy Tutoring will begin February 7th. We have a good little list for this. So last chance if you want in on the tutoring. Also, ACAP practice. Thank you to the teachers who have been practicing for ACAP with your class. Being familiar with the platform and exposure will surely help our scholars do their best at test time. Beginning in February, we will do school-wide ACAP practices once per week. Today's late duty is Miss Milam. Tomorrow is Miss Shepherd. February attendance incentive. This is exciting. School attendance is very important. During the month of February, we will have an attendance incentive in which the classes on each grade level will compete against each other to see who can have the most students at school the most amount of time. Each day, the class will mark the number of students that are tardy, absent, or have early dismissals. At the end of the month, the class with the lowest number of tally marks will earn an ice cream sundae party. There will also be a reward for any student that have no tardies, no absences, and no early dismissals. So on time, don't leave early, here every day for February. We need our Shepherd Scholars here every day, all day, to be the best we can be. Important dates. Today we have faculty meeting after school, February 1st, World Read Aloud Day. I think Ms. Mullen and Ms. Smith have pushed out some activities for that. February 2nd, ACAP Science Refresher Virtual Meeting. That's going to be for our 4th grade teachers. February 3rd, PACE 3rd grade field trip. February 7th, tutoring begins. February 10th, PACE 4th and 5th grade field trip. February 16th, Michael Green Science Machine. February 17th, 4th grade field trip. February 20th through 24th, Mardi Gras break. And March 7th, spring pictures. AR Superstars have met their goal. I'm sure Ms. Smith will be coming around soon with the cart, either today or tomorrow. So Ms. Arch's class, Deanna Chung, Cedric Clifton, Libby Jones, Hayden O'Kane, DeMarcus Parker. In Ms. Barnes' class, Jaden Forrest. In Ms. Gardner's class, Christian Curtis. In Ms. Hamlin's class, Gabby Koger. In Ms. Hatcher's class, Zoe McNeil and Ryan Rodriguez. Also, Avari Daniels, DeQuincy Sanders, and Owen Wood. In Ms. Moore's class, Rowan Doe and Treasurer Reynolds. Send us your questions. If you have a question, we would love to get that answered for you. You can submit it to the question box in the library. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.